Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Badrul Amin Razman and I'm from KBA 194B. Without wasting any time, I am going to explain about musyarakah. Musyarakah is an agreement between two or more parties whereby each of them provides a portion of capital and profits or losses and shares between them on a previously agreed basis. Musyarakah is commonly used for the purpose of financing of fixed assets by various Islamic banks such as house financing, car financing, plant and machinery financing, and all other fixed assets. Hence, musyarakah is an ideal alternative for the interest-based financing with far-reaching on both production and distribution. Besides, there are many evidence to prove that musyarakah is encouraged to be implemented. Firstly, Al-Quran. The verse is cited from Al-Quran, Surah An-Nisa, verse number 12. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Aw ukhtun falikulli wahidin minhum as-sudus. Sadaqallahul azim. It means if more than two, they share in a third. Besides, types of musyarakah can be divided into two parts, which are Syirkah Al-Aqd and Syirkah Al-Milk. Syirkah Al-Aqd is a partnership to establish joint venture of business and trade. This is the partnership that we are commonly familiar with. Musyarakah provides 6 pillars in which the customer of the bank will enter and perform each of them. Next, we move to condition of musyarakah. Capital contribution is one of the musyarakah condition. The parameters have been provided under BNM, where capital shall be readily available, shall be contributed by all partners, and may be in the form of monetary asset such as cash. For your information, failure to contribute capital by the capital provider as per the agreed schedule shall constitute a breach of promise. Last but not least, termination of contract. The contract is not valid anymore if any one of the partners dies during the musyarakah and the contract of musyarakah with him stands terminated. Hence, his heirs in this case will have the option either to draw the share of the deceased from the business or to continue with the contract of musyarakah. In addition, if any one of the partners becomes insane or otherwise becomes incapable of effecting commercial transactions, the musyarakah stands terminated.
My name is Muhammad Syami bin Ahmad Shukri. My matrix number 20196203994. Next, I want to explain about this description of product. Al-Hajbi Islamic Bank Berhad is the first full-fledged Malaysian Islamic bank that has matured from an Islamic banking window operation. It is the primary driver of the Sharia business for the Al-Hajbi Banking Group, the fourth largest banking group in the country in terms of assets. Leveraging of the operational capabilities, commitments and synergies within the larger network of the Al-Hajbi Banking Group totaling more than 200 branches, we aim to ensure customers enjoy a reliable, convenient and efficient banking experience. We dedicate our thoughts and actions to provide a suite of comprehensive financing, deposit, investment and cash management solutions to our corporate customers. Next, features, eligibility and requirements. Home financing I offered by Al-Hajbi Islamic is a basic Sharia compliant Islamic home term financing product. It is based on the principle of diminishing musyarakah, in which the bank and you jointly own the property and you pay rental on the bank's portion, which will gradually purchase your share in the partnership until both yours and the bank's equity are paid in full. Key features of home financing that is first, Islamic home financing package based on concept of diminishing musyarakah. Second, loan period of up to 40 years or 65 years of age. Third, margin of financing up to 90% plus 10% for zero entry cost package. There is not a flexi package. Next, eligibility. Loan tenure up to 35 years. Margin of finance 90% plus 5% of MRTA financing. This is suitable for completed homes under construction properties refinancing. Requirements: minimum annual income 8,000 ringgit Malaysia. Minimum age 18 to 60 years old. So who can apply this? Any nationality, experienced MM2H program, Malaysian spouse, salary employed, and self-employed. Benefits: when you make extra payments, you can lower or reduce your interest cost and pay off your debt faster. Second, allows you to make additional payments on top of your usual monthly loan repayment. And last but not least, excess payments can be withdrawn with ease. Modus operandi. The figure shows the steps need to be passed by the parties involved in commodity purchase for personal financing products. First, RHBIB buys commodities worth RM10,000 from suppliers through the ASIDIC system. ASIDIC system Islamic Financial Tawarruk Trading System issued by the Bank Country Malaysia. The system developed by Sedania will automate sales and commodity purchases between customers, bank suppliers, and buyers of commodities. Suppliers consisting of telco companies such as Maxis, Celcom, and so on. The commodity used in this transaction is prepaid telephone. After the commodity become the property of the bank, RHBIB sold airtime worth 10,000 ringgit Malaysia plus X% profit to the customer through the ASIDIC system by using the concept of murabaha. At this time, the ASIDIC system will emerge SMS to the customer stating that the bank personal financing to customers amounting to 2,000 ringgit Malaysia. SMS as well detailed information related to financing such as rates, profit, monthly payment amount, commodity information, and so on. Customers too prefer the option whether to request this personal financing application and want to cancel it. Customer for application, the customer has to reply yes, sell the commodity to Sedania and receive the money cash. Replies do not indicate the customer has the commodity, and the reply cancel also uses who want to cancel the loan application. Fourth, Sedania broadcast for 10,000 ringgit Malaysia for customers through ASIDIC. In fact, the customer has appointed the bank as a representative to sell the airtime to Sedania, steering from the answer yes by the customer against the SMS given, as well as when the customer signed the previous LO document. Then Sedania pays cash to the customer through ASIDIC. When the cash already belongs to the customer, the bank will take the money from ASIDIC's account and turn into the customer's account.
Okay, next I will talk about difference with conventional product. The management of risk and how risk is shared are the fundamental difference between Islamic and conventional finance. In this stage, we will look at what we can learn about risk and risk management in traditional banking and financial markets from these disparities. You will conceive of them as debt, bank loans, and bond offerings, respectively, but that is incorrect terminology. Those classification do not apply to true Islamic financing. Interest is forbidden in Islamic finance. The risk of a business is not shared equitably when it is financed by debt with a commitment to pay interest. Instead, Islamic finance mandates that funds be supplied on a profit and loss sharing basis. Sharia law allow for a variety of contract kinds to be used to supply funding. Each category describes how risk is divided between the company and its loan provider. Next, calculation. If you plan to finish your loan repayment during the 3 years lock-in term, you will have to pay an early settlement charge of up to 2% of your outstanding loan amount. For entry cost finance, RHB Islamic can provide you a margin of financing of up to 90% plus 10%. The maximum loan term is 35 years, according to the most recent Bank Negara Malaysia rule, or until you reach the age of 95, whichever comes first. RHB Islamic House Loan Calculator has been created to help you figure out how much your monthly loan payments will be. The RHB Islamic Home Loan Calculator also calculates the interest rate you will pay based on the amount and length of time you want to borrow. To use the RHB Islamic House Loan Calculator, simply enter the loan amount and loan term, and the monthly payment amount will be calculated. You should make sure that your monthly commitment, including this loan, does not surpass 60% of your home loan to ensure a high success rate for your mortgage application. Next, history of RHB Islamic Bank. RHB Islamic Bank Berhad, established in 2005, is the first full Malaysian Islamic bank to have reached its full maturity through an operation on Islamic bank windows. The Sharia company is the main driver in terms of its assets for the RSB Bank Group, the country's fourth largest bank group. We are dedicated to ensuring customers have reliable, convenience, and effective banking experience with operational capacity, commitments, and synergies within the wider RHB banking group network of over 2,000 branch. Our ideas and action are designed to provide our corporate clients with a range of comprehensive financing, deposit, investment, and cash management solution. Board of Director and Sharia Committee. For directors, we have Yang Berhormat Datuk Muhammad Nasir Abdul Latif, Yang Berhormat Datuk Abdul Rahman bin Datuk Mat Alip, Datuk Fun Chim Meng, On Ailing, Datuk Adis Sadikin Ali. For Syariah Committee Bank, we have Datuk Ghazali bin Jaafar, Prof. Dr. Amir bin Shahrudin, Syaknam Muhammad Mohtar, Datuk Ahmad Basir Ibrahim.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Vision and mission for RHB Islamic Bank. Vision is to be a global leader in Islamic banking. Global leader is defined as being the ultimate guardian and source of reference for innovative Sharia-based product and service. For the mission to continually develop and innovate universally accepted financial solution in line with Sharia principle. Next is to provide a reasonable and sustainable return to shareholder, and the last to provide for a conducive working environment and to become an employer choice for top talent in the market. Core value. Core value is integrity. The share value is the cornerstone for our organization. Our integrity must be without question. We are fully accountable for our independent decision. Our staff are officers with the highest integrity standard and who are neither influenced nor compromised in the discharging of their role and function in FMB. Being a professional is our hallmark. Our well-trained staff will be very oriented in discharging their duty with rigid to the dispute, claim, and complaints referred to us. Competent and knowledge. We will be a knowledge-based of organization, and our staff will be well trained and equipped with the competency and knowledge required for the job. Our staff will have the technical capability to handle the complex claim and dispute referred to FMB. Achievement of award RHB Islamic Bank. Firstly, is issue conventional and Islamic. First runner-up and rate issue value conventional and Islamic. Fourth, lead manager league table 2020. Next is issue value conventional and Islamic. Winner league manager league table award. In addition, Telecom Deal of the Year DG Telecommunication 900 million Sukuk Murabaha the Asset AAA Asia Infrastructure Award. And the last, Green Deal of the Year Puskas Green Asset Sdn Bhd 200 million Asian Green Sri Sukuk. ASEAN Banking and Finance Corporate and Investment Banking Award 2020. And the last for this chapter is conclusion. Finally, banking is a unique industry with a stricter regulatory structure. The aim of this study is to identify the internal and external factor influencing the RHB Bank Berhad profitability and performance. Following data finding using the SPSS system, leverage show a negative relationship with a return on asset. The connection obviously show an increase in leverage and a decrease in ROA level. Vice versa. The size can also influence RHB banking profitability and performance. The size still closely linked to ROA as it could affect the company profitability.